Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this generator cover. So if you guys have been following the channel, had some wildfires nearby, kind of knocked out the power for a while. We went and got a generator, and now we need a little cover for it. So this comes in a sweet little package. This is 32 by 24 by 24, 32 length, 24 width, 24 high. And this nice little package here is pretty sweet. It's like some kind of like a waterproof canvas material here. And it has some nice features. So it's like a rubberized plastic here on the inside, like a canvas coating. Nice little handle here. And then it has a little let's see, little flap right here. Got like a little port here on the side. We're going to be putting this on my generator, see how well it fits on there. This also has, on this side, it has the zipper right here, so you can open that up, and it has a little tie on the bottom. You can cinch this up around the bottom of your generator. If you have to keep your generator outside, this is going to protect it from the elements, from getting all wet and things like that. And it has this Velcro. You just put it right back down there on the front there. And it also has these little clasps too, so you can put in this on there like that and kind of hold it around the bottom if you need to. Actually, let's go put this on the generator right now. Enough talking. Let's show you how it works here. And I believe you can still run this with this cover on the generator. I think the exhaust can come out the back right here. It's not going to damage it. So let's go check it out. Hey friends, so here we have our cover. It's got these handles on here. You just pull it off there. It's got pockets on the side here if you want to throw in a funnel for the gas or whatever, and then that just closes up nicely. Okay, so this can just come off here. It does have like this little space here for exhaust to come out. So you can technically, I think you can run this with the cover on, but it's a good way definitely to protect your investment. We had fires going and there was smoke everywhere. So the ashes were getting on here. This will just keep the dust off. If it's out in the rain, it's going to keep it from getting all rusty and things like that. Fits perfectly. Just slips right on there. Covers everything up really nice. And then I'll show you the front here with the drawstrings. Just easy to throw on here though, and definitely a good way to protect your investment. So let's go check out the front part. Okay friends, as you can see, this front portion opens right up. So if you just wanted to use your handles and carry this around while the thing was still on there, that's something that you can do. We have, this goes down right here, this Velcro, boom, just holds right on the front there. Just like that, just goes on there super easy. And same thing with this one. Seal that Velcro on there. Okay, it also has these little drawstrings. So if you want to, just kind of pull this tight around the edge of there, and you can just tighten that on there if you want to, like that. Oh, same thing with this side. You can just tighten up that drawstring. And this one also has these little snaps here. So where is that? That's over here. It has these little snaps. You can just snap this together, and that's just going to help hold this flap down also, so you can flap or just snap those into place. Where are you, little guy? And that's just gonna hold those, the corners under there better. All right, just put that in. Oops, had it. There we go. And then you can just pull that tight. And pull that tight. That's just gonna kind of hold those edges around, pull them around the edges, so it's gonna keep everything, you know, nice and secure. There, see how it just tucks right under there, under the handle. That's super nice. So you should be able to run this. It says you can run it with the cover on. The only thing I'm concerned about is it has a carbon monoxide detector on there. So I'm gonna try to fire it up and see if it runs, but it might shut off because of the carbon monoxide detector on there. But we'll see how it goes. So as I suspected, this because it has the carbon monoxide detector on there, it has a CO sense right here, so it'll shut it off by itself. So that's what it did. It was running just fine, and then it shut it off. So if you were to keep this on there, you would simply have to attach a little exhaust pipe that would just kind of like a hose, just come out here and go like on the ground and underneath, and just pipe it underneath there, and then it'd work fine. But not really a big deal when you're running it. You could still tie off. You could put the top right here and have that exhaust go right out the side also, and then just tuck it under when you're done. So I'm definitely going to be using this to keep this nice and clean and free of like dust and debris while I'm storing it in the garage. So definitely a good investment to take care of your generator. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Okay, so just a few more thoughts on that generator cover. Like I said, waterproof, so you can run your thing outside. It's not gonna worry about getting it damaged by the elements in the snow, in the rain, dust, ash, whatever. It's a good idea, definitely. I live on the coast, so water, moisture, getting on it with the salt in the air is not a good combination for like rusting. So even just storing it in the garage, I'm going to keep that cover on there out in the garage, keeps the dust off, keeps it nice and clean. Get your air filter, not getting junk all over the top or whatever around it, so when you do start it, it sucks all that stuff in or clogs your air filter or whatever. So just a really good idea, I think, definitely, to have something like that. Generator was a big help, and just protecting your investments is a really good idea. So hope this is helpful, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.